Joy, sabi pa, kung mag-asawang foreigner, may
Hello,
yaya ka.
Joshua.
Oo. Malaking libunos. Show your face. So.
Show your face.
Okay. Smiling, smiling.
Video.
Video?
Video, yes, video.
Video. This is hard guy. Hard guy in Philippines. Okay, water. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Hard guy. In Australia,
Joyce, come. Take a burger.
in Australia, you're wasting the water. Now look at that.
Joyce, sarap ka Joyce, kumiya.
Smile.
Pakita mo yung mukha mo.
For open.
Joyce, come in.
Oh,
Ay, ay, ay.
ay, ay. Oh, ay, ay.
Bad luck.
Taranta na, taranta na. Tubio, George.
Joyce.
Joyce. Nagtago na.
See? Parang may video ka. Nagbumbang na.
It's the last one.
Next one na. Papagod. Oh. Third.
No, look.
This one more. This one.
Oh.
And then put, when it's full, put in there and make more.
Yeah.
This one.
What?
Make when it's full, put in there. And this one. Make,
Oh, so put water there.
no, leave it the base.
Oh.
Filled it. And the other one. And the other one.
That's the question, man.
Unlike in Philippines, washing clothes like this. Your mom stay here a long time. Your mom live here in Philippines. Pam pam pam. You now. Pam pam pam. Pam pam. Pam 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 pam. Inasal na Diyos sa laga. Ha? Walang boka daw. No laga? Kahit sa baryo, wala.
Di uso pa ba doon?
Si Mike sabi may bomba na. Ha?
He said that was a pump.
In Australia. Ay,
Baka, baka di na lang yung tagalagay ng bomba sa Australia. Pinasama niya siguro.
In Melbourne, maybe they have not that.
I don't know like this. Well, they got a pump, but not like this. Maybe in the country.
I'm Australia. No, that's the water in the... Remember we went there? Punta kami kailangan ng halin. Tag-init. Tuyo. May wala silang gripo kasi nakatira sila sa ay sa sa baryo. Parang baryo ba? Alam mo ang umaasa silang tubig? Sa lawa. Alam mo yung lawa nila?